Good morning, fam, and welcome to today's breakdown. Today is on Thursday, 11th of June, 2026. And yesterday we had CPI, and the market was bullish as I had anticipated early in the morning. Today I'm also having a bullish sentiment. So let's do a recap of yesterday EPA. So yesterday price was around this one. Okay, so when we were doing our breakdown, price was around this zone, and according to me, I was interested. I was still interested in the bullish bias. All I wanted to see was a clear break here, grab of liquidity. Then I would love to get involved like that. Continuation to take out that previous high, which didn't play that very clear, but you can see into the session we were having something at least to work with. You can see, okay, that's very slow. Some momentum did kick up, and now I was looking to get involved around that zone. Then gave us a push, change of character, and now I got involved there. Wanted to play the continuation, which didn't give me a chance to do it. It gave me a chance to do it. Went break even, and later was taken. Price came back, grab all of those sell side liquidity, tap into this zone, and that was now the move. So that was the move that I was to wanted to capitalize on this, but this will happen now during the news release. So far this week, two trades, one on gold, which was taken out break even, the second one which had three other partials and the rest break even, and this one was taken out break even, no partials, since our partial were not met yet. So that's all. Didn't have any idea later. So today I'm also interested in the bullish buyers. Still want to continue playing bulls. For me on euro, looks like the pullback is not over yet. So I still want to get involved in those buys. So you can see price is now grabbing all of this sell side liquidity, giving us that change of character, very aggressive. So I'm not seeing a clear zone to get involved in sales here. Can say internal has shifted bearish, but I want to see into session open where liquidity will be grabbed. If we have something like that, even grabbing that low, then now change of character, I want to get involved there to continue the long as I'm repeating. For sales, I want to see that one, tap into that zone, clear, sell sort of low, and then can get involved there to target all of that buy side liquidity plus Asian and even now the weak swing. So sales looks high probability since swing is bearish, internal now shifted bearish. So correct thing to do is wait for those pullback, mitigation of extreme, and then you get involved in areas like this, wait for that pullback, continuation, targeting the weak swing low. So that's what is very ideal to do. But for me, I decided to look for that bigger picture. You can see the bigger picture. After this change of character, we haven't had any that pullback, tap into demand, then that continuation for the pullback phase. So I think that's what now has happened. This was just a build up, and now we have grabbed all of those sell side liquidity below that flip zone which had no inducement. So I want to see more. I want to see more of the buys happening. Did we tap into this one? Not yet. We didn't tap into that zone, but let me see. Let me adjust to that. I think we did tap into that. We did tap into that. that an H1 zone. So yeah, that's this is why I have more of a bullish bias. We are taking out those sell side liquidity, giving us change of character. Now I want to see that pull back up into demand, targeting all these buy side liquidity, and you can see this level does not have any inducement on it. So yeah, I'm still anticipating those pullback to continue. Also can even target all of that. Yeah, all of that is buy side liquidity to be targeted on H1. So the liquidity is lying on the upside like that. So yeah, we can target all of that. So I'm interested in buys on euro. Same as gold. Gold, we have a massive dump yesterday. Got a chance to get involved. Think around this zone here. Yeah, got some clean sales. Yeah. So expecting the pullback phase to start. Yeah, we're expecting price to pull back around these zones. Yeah, into the range. Nothing very clear for the buys. For me to get involved in the buys, at least I want to see some liquidity being grabbed, change of character, and now get involved, and thus fresh PI playing the pullback into the zone. So that's what I want to see. On GBP USD, same scenario as EU. You can see we are grabbing liquidity below that low, tapping into now the flip range. Let me see. Yeah, that's we are tapping into now this flip range here, that fractal demand, but they are holding price. So yeah, it's ideal for me. I'm still interested in buys. I don't see any zone that I'm expecting to hold price on these legs. So yeah, I'm interested. More of buys today for me. And also I think today we have some news coming up. Let me check. So yeah, today we also have the PPI release, initial job claims. Yeah, also same time as yesterday. So and some news on EU too around the same time. So yeah, let's see what develop into the session so that we can see on what to get involved. But for me, I want to get involved in buys, more of buys. This leg has no inducement. We are now grabbing the sell side liquidity, tapping into one H zone, giving us that aggressive change of character. What I want to see is now session opening, and after the session open, I want to see some more of liquidity being taken. Yeah, tapping into M15 zone, which I don't initial zones I don't trade directly. I want to wait for now that change of character, pull back into now freshly formed zone during the session, play those longs, targeting all of that. So I'm considering this as now grab of liquidity, tapping into now this demand zone here on M15. You can see we are tapping into this zone. So yeah, so just my narrative. Yeah, I'm expecting more of buys than sales. So yeah, let's see into the session. Yeah, you all should take care trading periods like these, periods where you wake up and find gold dumping when you are expecting it to go high. So yeah, I think that's all from my side. Yeah, see you into the session. Bye bye.